What happens behind the scenes when you ping a website? Most people type ping google.com and never see the actual network traffic. Today, we are going to capture ICMP traffic live using tcpdump. I'll show you exactly what your system is sending and receiving. Now let us use tcpdump. And we can capture any interface using ICMP. ICMP is Internet Control Message Protocol. It is used by ping, traceroute, and network diagnostics. It is different from TCP, HTTP. ICMP is just for network messages like echo request and echo reply. Now let us hit enter. Now let me open another terminal and let us ping a website. Let us ping it maybe 20 times and let us use google.com. When I hit enter, we are going to capture the ICMP echo request. Now see what's happening. So this is useful so that it allows us to just capture the ICMP communication, echo request and echo reply, as you can see, without flooding the terminal. What we are looking at here is, as you can see, this is the interface of this very computer. This is the outgoing packet. Here you can see the device, the source device, and here you can see the destination. This is the ICMP echo request sent by ping. Here you can see the ID, which is used to track the communication, including the sequence number. So basically, this communication has to be tracked using these numbers. Sometimes this might look a bit confusing because here we can see the actual IP addresses, but for the source and for the destination. There is a different command you could use in order to show the raw IP addresses. Now, let me clear the screen. Let us go back to the command, and before ICMP, let us add this flag -nn. Let's hit enter. And let us issue this command again. You see the difference. Here we can see the source IP address now, and we can see the destination IP address, and the rest of the what we just spoke about, the ICMP echo request and ICMP echo reply. So this is how you can easily gather ICMP traffic. So when do you use this command, or when do you want to kind of gather packets related to ICMP? You do this when you want to test if a host is reachable, if you want to check a packet loss or high latency, or if you want to debug routing issues. This is the command that you need to use. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel and watch the next video in order to see other very important commands that you could use when you are troubleshooting network-related issues. Thank you.